Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
If YouTube freezes on your TV, start by closing the app gracefully. Press the home button and switch to another app for 3 to 5 seconds. Return to YouTube. The app should refresh its video list and thumbnails. If thumbnails remain static, open the settings drawer inside YouTube and select Reload. Reload usually clears temporary cache and forces the app to fetch fresh data. Wait 10 seconds after reload before playing a video to ensure data updates. If problems persist, proceed to fully restart the app or use other methods. A full app restart fixes many YouTube issues on smart TVs and streaming boxes. Close YouTube and use the system app switcher to stop it completely. If your TV lacks a switcher, unplug power or use the physical power button. Leave the TV unplugged for at least 10 seconds to clear volatile memory. Plug the TV back in and wait 30 to 60 seconds for the system to boot. Open YouTube and check whether video playback and search results are refreshed. If issues continue, update the YouTube app from the store to get the latest fixes. Network issues often cause YouTube problems on TVs even when other apps work fine. Restart your router and modem by powering them off for 30 seconds. Use wired Ethernet when possible. It reduces packet loss versus Wi-Fi connections. Check your internet speed. A minimum of 5 Mbps is recommended for HD playback. If network resets fail, clear the app cache in system settings or reinstall YouTube. After any reset, sign back into your account and test YouTube playback immediately. Only perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.